So when it comes to plant-based weight loss, we are really dealing with the food. It's the food, it's the food, it's the food. That's what John McDougall says, it's the food. Whenever you're confused on why am I not seeing as good of results, it's always down to the food, because the food is the most important factor when it comes to plant-based weight loss. So just gaining health on this plant-based lifestyle. So many people get suckered into all these different like weight loss pills and stuff like that, and even on those weight loss pills, it's like may only work if you're eating healthy and exercising. So is it actually the weight loss pill that's working, or is it the fact that you're actually eating well and exercising? Okay, so we want to focus on the food, want to focus on what you put in your body, because that's the most important factor. Don't get me wrong, exercise is bloody amazing at accelerating the weight loss process, but you can't run a diet that's not conducive to promoting your health and weight loss. You can't.